Most people answer the question, who am I, with two words, my body and my mind. But a deeper look shows you are the observer behind both. Let's explore why you are not your body and not your mind either. Look at your hand. You say, my hand, not I am hand. The word my means you own it, like you own a shirt. If the body were truly you would say, I am body, not my body. Language itself reveals the gap. Your body changes every moment. Cells die, new cells form, and in 7 years, almost every atom is replaced. Yet you still feel like the same person. If you were the body, you would become a new self each cycle, but you remain. Now consider the mind. Thoughts arise and vanish like clouds in a sky. You notice a thought, then it disappears. If you were the thought, you would vanish with it. But something watches the thoughts come and go. Try a quick test. Close your eyes and ask, what will my next thought be? Notice the silence before the thought arrives. In that gap, you exist without thinking. You are the awareness, not the thought factory. Emotions also pass through you. Anger rises, peaks, and fades. Joy comes, stays, and leaves. If you were the emotion, you would end when it ended. But you are still here, watching the next feeling arrive. Think of a movie screen. Films play across it. Action, romance, horror. The screen never gets wet, burned, or hurt. You are like that screen. The body and mind are the movie. You are what they appear on. Pain proves the point. When your tooth hurts, you say, my tooth hurts. There is the pain, and there is the one noticing the pain. Two things. The noticer is closer to you than the pain itself. The mind is a tool, like a hammer. A hammer is useful, but you are not the hammer. The mind plans, remembers, and worries. Useful, but not you. You are the hand that picks up the tool. So who are you really? You are awareness. The quiet presence that sees the body, sees the mind, and remains untouched. Mystics call it the self. Science calls it consciousness. Either way, it is what you have always been. This shift changes daily life. When fear arises, you notice fear instead of being fear. When a harsh thought appears, you watch it instead of believing it. Space opens between you and the storm. That space is freedom. So remember, you have a body, but you are not your body. You have a mind, but you are not your mind. You are the awareness behind both. Rest there, and the noise of life grows quiet.